Roosevelt buried as the nation mourns. Statesmen, soldiers, and distinguished men of all walks of life follow the casket of America's greatest ex-president from the simple little church to the graveside. New York City mounted police guards, followed by the hearse, come to the church entrance. The casket is flag draped and being placed in the hearse. A line of funeral procession autos are parked behind the hearse, and a crowd is on the church lawn. In the cemetery, the casket is shouldered and carried up a steep pathway to the gravesite. The Reverend Dr. George E. Talmage precedes the casket into Young's Memorial Cemetery, followed by Captain Archie Roosevelt in uniform and the distinguished mourners. The funeral is attended by family and friends. General Peyton C. Marshall, the Army Chief of Staff, Vice President Thomas R. Marshall, official representatives of the U.S. government, and Rear Admiral Cameron M. Winslow. Also in attendance is Major General Leonard Wood, who was one of Roosevelt's intimate friends. Also in attendance was Oscar Strauss, a diplomat and former progressive candidate for governor of New York. Thank you for watching today. We invite you to watch all our famous funeral and obituary videos.